Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog. I'm ever ready to hear from you in the comment section after watching the video. If you find this video useful, find it helpful, click the like button, like the video, and don't forget to share this video to every of your groups, like the one that you join, the one that owns by you, because people there will be let me say, so glad to receive something like this. So in this tutorial I want to take you through show you on how to add copy code, like any HTML code, JavaScript codes that will be copyable in your blog post in Blogspot. As you can see, I'm in my dashboard. Open your dashboard, log into your Blogger account, select the blog that you want to make use of this tutorial. Maybe you create a new one, or you use any of your blog posts to this practice as well. So before I will go into that one, sometimes what I'm saying you may not understand. It's like sounding somehow, you don't know which one I'm talking about. I'll use my normal blog website to show you the example of what I'm talking about now, what I want to do in this video. So navigate to my blog. This is my blog, Unlimited Monies Blog. So this is what I mean. Copy the HTML script below. So a copy box, a code box like this. Okay, I can say code box. You see, there is HTML. There's codes in this, in that it is copyable. So it is not like this one, because this one is rolling and this one is not rolling. There is no box for this particular code to be specific. It would have looked like this until someone's highlight it like this and mark it before you can copy. But this one now, someone can highlight it and do select all. For example, someone highlight it like this and get the select all. You can see now that this code does not move, does not jump to this area. As you can see, it's only in the box. So that's what you want to do in this tutorial on how to have something like this. Already normally people, maybe you or any other person, are already aware of these codes. There are 3 codes that are there, for people known of 2. Yes, because we try the 2 codes in these templates. As you can see, my blog, let me open my blog. In this my blog, I want to view the blog so that you understand what I mean. And this final one that we want to use is the one that is generally, no matter the templates, the theme that you are using, it will not deny. I want to open this blog now, so you see it. You see, this blog is in default blogger. Once you open a blog post newly, so this is the blog. So in this kind of template, those one that you know works. So let's dive into the tutorial without wasting of any time. I will show you in 3 different ways. So click on the add post. Like I always said, sometimes your option like this is in default, it is in this pencil area. So if it is in this pencil area, you only have here to do something like, let me say, you write an information. You want to say, okay, copy the code in the below box and paste it anywhere. You can see now I have the compose. So what you have to do next is the title. Okay, copy and paste. So this is the title of the post. Okay, now we have to run the logics. we have to run the logic. Now we want to put the HTML or this little script, this a code. I'll have a little time to prepare a piece of code like many condemn JavaScript codes, so that we will use it in our practical. Okay, have a little time please. Okay, as you can see, this is the code. Now this is the code as well. I prepared this one. I want to use it in the practical. This is not what we want to use to put the code inside, but we want to use this code to put inside the practical elements that we want to try. So in this anywhere here in the middle, I want to click and add the iframe. First of all, we have face code, face element known as pre. There are some templates that if you are using this pre, now let me just do it like this. If you are using this pre, then you put the pre close tag. The pre close tag. This is the open tag of the pre and the close tag of the pre. Sometimes if you want to learn HTML newly, it will use pre to add a code box in the form of code box. You are using pre. Okay, now let's copy this code. Let us copy this code that is here and put it inside the code to see if it will work. Yes, if it will work for us. Let's just cut it off. Just copy it and put it inside this code here, inside in between the two elements, like the open pre element and the close tag. Now the code is in between. Now you can see it's showing us red, but okay, let me not use okay, sorry, I don't want anything to be like error, so that it will not be because of that error, because of this code is not proper codes. I was only let me, sorry for the delay. It's good for us. So I have div there. Let me put a div close tag and see if the red will be out. Okay, now thank God that we have the red now. Okay, now we have pre open and the pre close tag. Now let us view our blog post and see if it will be able to show the codes in the code box. Because of this template I'm talking about, I don't mean the code is not working, it is working, but select templates. Now we are in our, you see, we only have the text that we were typing. It cannot display the code that is here to form in form of code box. So now let's go back and try another code. We have another element here that always known as, I will delete it from here. I will still allow the codes to be there. This one is code. If you know of HTML and its element, the code box, some people use code to write these languages. So now let's preview it again. We are almost there. It's not that long. Very soon we will close this video. So I just want to enlighten you, to bring this thing to your insights, so that you have the information that some of these codes sometimes is because of templates that makes it not to work. As you can see, it is not working. It only shows the text that we wrote. Copy the code in the below box and paste it where the code is not showing. Okay, now the last one that will not fail. Yes, because people find it difficult to add this in, and when they put this kind of code from the tutorial that they are receiving, it will not work. You may, because of this thing now, you may want to change your templates. No need for you to change templates up and down because of simple thing. The last one is text area. Text area. Want to close it, to close the tag text area. Okay, you have the close tag of the text area. Let's preview it and see if we have it. As you can see, the row, as you can see, we have the box. The code is inside there. So what we have to do, we have not yet done with the text area. What you have to do is to fix it. This text area now, you still need to add some few things. One, you put a rows, so it will not combine, like it will be able to roll the code no matter how much the code is in the box. Rows, then you the quote its rows, you can use something like 11. So you have the rows. If you mind, you use let me say width of it. You put the width of it, the width of it. You can use something like let me say 100. Can do something like 100. Something like 100. I believe is okay. Now let's preview it again. As you can see, it's able to show the rule. So if I publish this post now, this quote will be able to rule. Okay, now we still need to put the height. The width of it was 100. Okay, let it be like let it be 400. Okay, it's 400. I will publish this post and I will preview it. Publish it. See text area, nothing more. Text area. So you open it, you view. As you can see, we have it here. This is our blog post. As you can see, the code that is there is able to show and edit. So if you highlight it and you might want to copy it, or you see it does not pass and reach this height, it's only in the box. So this is how you can easily, and anywhere, any of the template that you are using, you want to add a blog post, like you want to add this text box that we are doing here in your blog post without any hassle, because some of these things people find it difficult to have it, because I have tried the two let me say popular codes of HTML language that people normally like to use, and what people show that it's only work to add code box, but this text area is the best and the general codes. People may not that understand about this text area, but this is the only way you can add the code in the description or in your blog posts easily and flawlessly. Thank you for watching this video. I believe this video is useful and helpful to you, and it will be also useful and helpful to others. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe to this channel, because I have another tricks to come in with. The next tutorial will be how to add valve icon in our blog post. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.